going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This car has all 4 options, including the rear bumper. It has not been deleted. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful spec here. Looking at the wheels, they look incredible. You're going to have a couple tiny little rock chips on the edge. No curb rash though. Got the Goodyear's date code 2015. Now you do have some PPF on this car, so from right here up, including that lower section, then the full front bumper and the headlights, but nothing here up. Looking at that fender, looks amazing. Nice and clean. Door looks awesome. Side mirror looks good. Painted stripes. That looks good. Here on this, you do have a touch-up spot right there, and a tiny one there. A few little rock impacts on that side piece, very minor. Got a rock chip there, one right there, and a tiny one here. Rest that looks good. No curb rash. Beautiful wheel. Barrel looks amazing. Nice and clean. Dayco 2015. Like I said, you do have PPF here on that front end. Headlights are crystal clear. They look incredible. You have one little guy right there, a little rock chip. The rest of that looks good. Here's your trickle charger. So nice, easy access. And you have one rock chip right there. And then looking at this lower side, like I said, you got the film on it. Now these little vents do not have film, and they do have a couple rock chips. But all of that is protected. The fog light's protected. Couple little imperfections there. Once again, a little rock chip there. And then looking at that splitter, if you get way under the car, you're gonna have some light rash. If you look under there, it's very subtle though. And nothing that can be seen really just walking around the car. It's all on that underside. This is all perfect. Some light rash right there. And you have some light rash there. Painted stripes look perfect. Door looks incredible. Now right here you do have a couple chips. You have one right there. Lower side looks good. That looks amazing. Wheel looks awesome. Like I said, you do have the bumper here. It was not deleted. That all looks incredible. You can see a little rub through here. You do have a little bit of rash on that diffuser edge. The rest of that looks good. All right, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Make our way around the door. You do have a little bit of rubbing here, and I'll show you the spot there. The rest of that edge, it's all perfect. And then you can see it's been rubbing right there. The rest of that looks amazing. Looking at the door panel, looks incredible. Nice and clean. Do have some light flaws there on the finish. Upper section looks perfect. A few tiny little scratches right there on the leather. A little mark there. Otherwise, it looks perfect. Smells incredible. Okay, let's check out the door here. Edge is perfect. All of that is perfect as well. Looking at that trim, looks amazing. Floor mats look good. Seats look incredible. Bolsters look perfect. A little snag there. Lower side looks good. Dash looks amazing, even on the upper side. That looks perfect.